Have you ever felt your confidence slipping away without knowing why? Today, we'll uncover 10 sneaky habits that quietly destroy your self-confidence. Stay tuned until the end because the last habit is often overlooked and might be the key you've been searching for. Welcome back, Hammered Success. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our life-changing tips and tricks. Let's dive straight in. These are the 10 habits that might be ruining your self-confidence and how to break free from them. You don't want to miss this. 1. Procrastination. Procrastination might seem harmless, but it eats away at your confidence. Every time you put off a task, you reinforce self-doubt and fear of failure. Start small. Break tasks into manageable parts and tackle them one by one. Celebrate small wins to build momentum and confidence. 2. Negative self-talk. The way you talk to yourself matters. Constantly saying, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough," hurts your self-confidence. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. For example, turn "I'm terrible at this" into "I'm getting better every day." Try it now. Share one positive affirmation about yourself in the comments below. 3. Comparing yourself to others. Social media can make it tempting to compare your life with others. But remember, you're seeing a filtered version of their reality, not the whole picture. Focus on your own journey. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Keep a journal of your achievements to remind yourself of your progress. 4. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection can freeze you. It sets an impossible standard, leading to constant disappointment and self-criticism. Aim for progress, not perfection. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities and focus on continuous improvement. 5. Fear of failure. Fear of failure can stop you from trying new things. It keeps you in your comfort zone, hindering growth and confidence. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Each failure is a lesson that brings you closer to your goals. 6. Seeking approval from others. Relying on others for validation weakens your self-confidence. When you constantly seek approval, you give away your power. Validate yourself by trusting your own judgment and valuing your own opinions. Remember, your self-worth isn't dependent on others' approval. 7. Avoiding challenges. Staying in your comfort zone might feel safe, but it prevents growth. Avoiding challenges keeps you from building resilience and confidence. Take small steps to face challenges head-on. Each time you tackle a difficult task, you build confidence in your ability to handle adversity. What's one challenge you're willing to take on today? Let's encourage each other in the comments. 8. Negative body language. Your body language can impact how you feel about yourself. Slouching, avoiding eye contact, and closed-off postures can signal low confidence. Practice positive body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and use open gestures. These small changes can boost your self-esteem. 9. Holding on to past mistakes. Dwelling on past mistakes can trap you in a cycle of self-doubt. If you constantly replay your failures, it's hard to move forward. Learn from your mistakes, but don't let them define you. Focus on the present and future, and forgive yourself for past errors. 10. Ignoring self-care. Neglecting self-care can erode your confidence. When you don't prioritize your well-being, it's hard to feel good about yourself. Make self-care a priority. Regular exercise, healthy eating, and adequate sleep are essential for a positive self-image and confidence. And there you have it, 10 habits that destroy self-confidence. Recognizing these habits is the first step to breaking free from them. Replace them with positive practices to build your self-esteem and watch your confidence soar. Which of these habits do you need to work on? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to Hammered Success for more tips on building confidence and personal growth. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every time we upload a new video. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, share this video with them. Thanks for watching.